All right, guys, welcome back. Now we're going to walk through some examples of probabilities. So, real simple stuff for this particular quiz. What they want you to do, first of all, they give you the weather forecast and they say that it shows 40% chance of rain. So, they just want you to fill out this table. Pretty easy stuff. So, we'll come in for rain, you have 40% chance. Now they want to know what no rain would be. No rain would be 100% chance minus the 40% chance of having the rain, which would end up being the 60%. Again, I don't want percents as the answer, so we're going to type in 0.60. So rain would be 40%, no rain would be 60%. Simple stuff. We look at the next example. They give us a spinner with 4 different sections in it. The red spinner, the red sections, there's only 2 of them. Yellow section only has 1. The blue section has 1. And now what we'll do is we'll find probabilities of those occurring. Since there are 4 altogether, 2 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, and 1 divided by 4 would be our answers. Again, I don't want fractions. So if you don't know, and just because I feel like using this pretty cool calculator, we're going to do 2 divided by 4 as an answer. We get the same 0.5 and 0.5, 0.5. What do you got there? A little bit of go team. A little bit of go team, 55. So anyway, we'll have a 0.5 here. 1 divided by 4 is the same as a quarter. It's going to be 25%. 1 divided by 4 is a quarter. It's going to be 25. If you add all those up, you do get the number 1, which is equal to 100%. So good to know. Easy stuff. I'll just have you fill in a couple of squares on your quiz. Pretty simple. If we did 2 more examples, the idea here is the basketball team has a 70% win chance. So that's going to be 0.70. 100% minus that 70% is going to give us 30%. So that would be 0.30. Over here, how many number 1s are there? There's 1, 2, 3 of them. How many number 2s? There's 1, 2, 3 of them. How many number 3s? There's only 2. Sneaky. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add all those up together, and we'll end up with 3 divided by all 8 of them would end up being 3 over 8, 3 over 8, and 2 over 8. And Bob Ross is thinking to himself, that's a pretty simple question. We're going to end up putting these in the calculator. So 3 divided by 8, wrong button, 3 divided by 8 is going to give us our 0.375, and then 2 divided by 8 would be a quarter. So 0.375, 0.375, and 0.25. If you add up all those together, what do you get, Bob Ross? You get 100%, which is the same as 1.00. Pretty easy stuff. Bobby knows. Bobby knows.